Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive. Keep growing, and happy programming to all.